Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to highlight a text in Canva. Highlighting a text in Canva can help draw attention to a specific part of your design. Here's how to do it. First, open a preferred web browser and head over to Canva. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, open up a design. You can also create a new design by clicking on Create a Design button from here. Now I will take a text element from here to give you an example to how to highlight a text. Here, select the text you want to highlight and click on Effects button, which is at the top navigation bar. Now look for the background option and toggle it on. After that, you can also change the color from this button here. Simply click on it and select the color you want to change to. The background will appear behind the text which is highlighted. Once you are satisfied with the highlighting, make sure to save your design. By following these steps, you can effectively highlight text in Canva to make a design more engaging. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.